Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to have a quick overview of the second half of the secondary toolbar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at, or the previous mini-series, we looked at the first half of the secondary toolbar. So let's just quickly make a new sheet here, and then we just run through some of these settings. So I'm going to add a part because it's quite important if we want to look at actually, being able to use the second part of the toolbar. So now, like I mentioned in the first one, we looked at all these features. If we have a part selected, now we're going to be looking at the grayed out areas to the right. Now this is still part of the secondary toolbar, but this will be only relevant to CAM features. So if we have the shape selected, or we don't even need it selected at first, we head into CAM and you can see now we have a few different options available. Now, if I select it, we will see we have a few other ones here where some of these work without it because you can actually use it on multiple shapes. Now, so just a quick recap. The second half of the secondary toolbar we'll be using for our CAM feature, and it will be pretty much used to optimize the workflow of your CAM. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the about video. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.